Today morning, the three sisters of Sushant Singh Rajput met me today on their behalf also and also on behalf of their father. They are extremely pained by some negative, false campaign that has been started for a family against a family which is a victim and who has lost a young son or a young brother. The campaign relates to his mental health. Our FIR very clearly says, very clearly, and the FIR has been in the public domain right from the beginning. It is not as if the channels don't know what the FIR says. In spite of what has been said in the FIR, it has been carried that the family knew about his depression and his being bipolar, and still the same was concealed. The FIR very clearly says that Sushant, after Riya came into his life, started having mental problems. The FIR very clearly says that Riya was responsible for this problem. The FIR also very clearly says that because of that mental problem, he used to be anxious. The FIR also very clearly says that whatever treatment she was getting him done through various doctors was never disclosed, the files were never given to the family. Some of the prescriptions which were shared at some point of time just mentioned the tablets being taken and not the disease. It is in these circumstances that when Riya left Sushant and when he was anxious for his anxiety problem, the sister who was also taking some medicine for anxiety sent him a prescription. In spite of knowing all this, a campaign is being carried on relentlessly by some channels. I'm sure they would be here today also. I was told that I should confine my presser to only those channels who are carrying the story correctly and not others. I said this is not correct. Every channel has a right to say what it says, but it's the earnest appeal of the family that please don't increase the suffering of a bereaved family. Please don't add to the suffering by spreading canards about false accusation being made. There are suggestions being given in the media, again by some channels, that Sushant had a life insurance policy and the family would not get the money if he was declared to have died by suicide. And it is for this motive, it is being alleged, that the suicide theory was later on changed to abetment to suicide or murder. I must inform all of you that Sushant had no life insurance policy, and accordingly this canard that is also being spread against the family is highly defamatory, and if this continues, we will be forced to take action against those channels which continue to spread these canards. Through this press conference, I would also like to inform everyone that the father and the sisters have taken a conscious decision that no film, serial, book should be written about Sushant Singh Rajput without the express consent of the father, without the script being shown to the father, and without the family consented to the script or the book or the serial or the film. In spite of this, if anybody feels that he can go ahead and do something contrary to what I have just informed everybody, he or she will do at his own peril, and appropriate action will be taken to ensure that such an effort is properly legally thwarted. सुशांत सिंह की 3 बहनें आज मेरे से मिली और अपने बिहाफ पे भी और अपने पिता के बिहाफ पे भी बड़े दुख प्रकट किए उन लोगों ने कि मीडिया में एक कैंपेन चलाया जा रहा है उनकी फैमिली को बदनाम करने के लिए, सिर्फ इसलिए कि रिया एक अक्यूज्ड को इस एफर्ट से फायदा मिले। एफआईआर में बड़ा स्पष्ट लिखा है कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मानसिक स्थिति बिल्कुल ठीक थी 2019 तक। एक आध पहले कोई घटना छोटी मोटी हुई होगी, लेकिन उससे कोई उनके मानसिक स्थिति में कोई फर्क नहीं था। 2019 में रिया उनके जिंदगी में आने के बाद उनकी मानसिक स्थिति खराब हुई, और मानसिक स्थिति जो खराब हुई उसमें बड़ा क्लियरली एफआईआर में लिखा है कि वो बहुत घबराए रहते थे। घबराना का मतलब अंग्रेजी में एंग्शियस होता है, एंग्जाइटी होता है। जो भी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन फैमिली के साथ शेयर किया गया था उसमें कोई कभी कैजुअल तरीके से उसमें कभी भी कोई बीमारी का नाम नहीं लिखा था। कुछ दवाइयां लिखी थी जो कि नॉर्मली प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में नहीं होता है। दवाई के साथ साथ बीमारी लिखा होता है, तब दवाई लिखा होता है। और 8 तारीख को जब वो बहुत घबराए हुए थे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, तो उन्होंने अपने बहन को फ़ोन किया। तो बहन जो खुद दवाई अपने घबराहट के लिए खाती थी, उसने वही दवाई उनको बोला कि खा लो। और जब उन्होंने कहा कि शायद बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन से नहीं मिलेगा, तो उन्होंने ओरल कंसल्टेशन करके उनको प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिलवाया। इसके बावजूद ये एफआईआर पब्लिक डोमेन में शुरू से है, सारी दुनिया इस एफआईआर को जानती है, सब लोग पढ़ चुके हैं, इस पर तमाम डिबेट हो चुके हैं। उसके बावजूद कुछ चैनल एक कैंपेन चला रहे हैं कि सुशांत सिंह के फैमिली ने झूठ बोला और उनको मानसिक स्थिति का पता था, डिप्रेशन का पता था, बाइपोलर होने का पता था। ये कैंपेन बिल्कुल मैलिशियस कैंपेन है। ये सिर्फ अक्यूज्ड को हेल्प करने के लिए कुछ चैनल्स चला रहे हैं। मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि उन चैनल्स को आप आज यहाँ आने मत दें, लेकिन मैंने कहा नहीं, इस देश में फ्री स्पीच है। हर चैनल के माध्यम से, उन चैनल के माध्यम से भी मैं स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं कि परिवार को सिर्फ ये मालूम था कि उनको घबराहट होती है। परिवार ने कभी भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया था कि उनको डिप्रेशन या कोई बाइपोलर है, क्योंकि उनकी कोई स्थिति इस तरह की 2019 तक नहीं थी, जब तक रिया उनके ज़िंदगी में आई थी। रिया उनके ज़िंदगी में आने के बाद ही उन्होंने ऐसे सर्कमस्टेंस क्रिएट किए जिससे उनकी मानसिक स्थिति खराब हुई, और उसके बाद से ही उनका घबराहट वाला स्टार्ट हुआ। एक और चलाया जा रहा है कुछ कैंपेन, कुछ चैनल्स में, एक मोटिव दिखाने के लिए कि सुशांत के पास कोई बड़ा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी था। उस लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी में अगर उनको सुसाइड दिखाया जाता तो पैसा नहीं मिलता, इसीलिए कहानी बदली गई। मैं आज सबको बताना चाहता हूं कि सुशांत का कोई लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी नहीं था, और ये भी एक एफर्ट है अक्यूज्ड को एक बचाने का, झूठी बात फैलाने का। और अगर ये आज के बाद नहीं रुका तो जिन चैनल्स में ये सब चल रहा है उन पे हमको लीगल कार्रवाई करनी पड़ेगी। और आज आप लोग को एक और चीज मैं बता दूं, आज परिवार ने बड़ा स्पष्ट एक तय किया है कि कोई भी फिल्म, कोई भी सीरियल, कोई भी किताब सुशांत सिंह राजपूत पे अगर लिखी जाएगी तो उनके पिता का रिटन कंसेंट अगर नहीं होगा तो वो परमिटेड नहीं है। आज के बाद अगर इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद भी अगर कोई इस एफर्ट में आगे बढ़ता है तो अपनी जिम्मेदारी पे बढ़ेगा, उसके खिलाफ लीगल कार्रवाई की जाएगी। और परिवार ने यह निर्णय लिया है कि अगर ऐसा इस आज के बताने के बाद भी अगर ऐसा कोई करना चाहता है तो उस पर कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई करेगी और परिवार इसको होने नहीं देगा। धन्यवाद।
सर, ये जांच एजेंसियों ने ये बताया, उनका सुशांत की बहनों का स्टेटमेंट दिया है जिसमें उन्होंने ये बोला कि 2013 से ही वो मानसिक दवाइयां ले रहे थे और डॉक्टर से इलाज करा रहे थे, जब रिया उनके जिंदगी में आई नहीं।
देखिए, जो भी मैंने बताया 13 में या कभी पहले हुआ होगा, उनकी माँ का डेथ जब हुआ था तब भी बहुत घबरा गए थे। 13 में भी कोई छोटा मोटा इंसिडेंट हुआ होगा, लेकिन उनकी कोई मानसिक स्थिति खराब नहीं थी। 13 में अगर कोई छोटा मोटा इंसिडेंट हुआ होगा, हर की जिंदगी में होता है, हर कोई कभी दवाई खा लेता है, कभी किसी को नींद आने की दिक्कत होती है, इसका मतलब थोड़ी कि मानसिक स्थिति खराब थी। 13 में कोई अगर हुआ होगा कुछ अगर उस समय इंसिडेंट, तो एक स्ट्रे इंसिडेंट रहा हुआ होगा जिसका कि उस समय इलाज हुआ और ठीक हो गया। इसलिए 13 से लेकर 19 तक उनके कुछ कोई मानसिक स्थिति में कोई खराब नहीं था, कोई दवाई नहीं खाते थे, कोई उनमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी।
Mr. Singh, what happened between 8 to 14 when his sister was
there have been
living with
series
him?
of chat which we have got which shows that people who were around Sushant, like Shovik, were continuously in touch with few drug peddlers, and then yesterday we also saw that NCB arrested few people. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I will not comment on anything which is part of the investigation. So if anybody wants to ask any question about the investigation, please refrain yourself. I will not be answering anything.
But
But
people who
Singh
were
has
close
said that
to
she was
him,
living at Sushant's house for a couple of days right before he died. She was there till the 12th when she left from there. What happened in that week? Because in that week, Riya Chakrabarti was not in that house. And secondly, how was a prescription issued by RML in Delhi from a doctor in OPD? How is an oral consultation given?
That question I have already answered. As far as the first question is concerned, the FIR, the abetment to suicide is not a one-day incident. It is a series of events which make the incident. So I don't think I need to answer that question. It is not as if the abetment to suicide takes place at the time when the person commits suicide.
So, the statement to Mumbai police has said that he is not aware why Sushant committed suicide, but he also said in the statement that Sushant could have committed suicide because of dejection. What dejection he is talking about, sir?
Again, you are putting words in my mouth. As far as the family is concerned, the family has never given any such statement of Sushant committing suicide. These statements were recorded by the Mumbai police in Marathi. The family also objected that please don't write in Marathi if you want us to sign. They were forced to sign that statement on a statement written in Marathi. They had no clue of what was being written. So I can't comment on what Mumbai police has written in their statement.
Sir, but the family is still sticking to this case as a abetment of suicide case, or is there any doubt regarding the foul play in the death?
Well, as far as the family is concerned, the events that have unfolded after the registration of the FIR, family has doubt that it could be murder as well. But we are leaving it to the investigation. We hope that the CBI will get to the bottom of this. In spite of the delay, we are quite hopeful that CBI will be able to find the truth, and the family is waiting expectantly to get justice in this matter.
So you are saying that the Mumbai police forced them to give such statements?
She was at his house till the 12th when she had to go back to Goregaon because her daughter was not feeling well. Why didn't she take her brother with her when she knew he wasn't well?
Well, I don't have to answer that question. That is something which if you feel that Riya needs to ask in the cross-examination, let her ask there. This is not something for me to answer here.
Because there are shocking revelations that are coming forward about the drug angle, because it's not only Shovik, it is other people also. For example, Shruti Modi's lawyer has also spoken about this drug angle, and Times Now has accessed that.
Well, I will again, these are matters of investigation, and the police is doing its job. So I don't want to comment on what the police has found, and if there is a drug angle, cases will be registered with regard to the drug angle. If there is a drug angle involved in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, even that will be investigated. So I don't understand why should anybody ask me a question with regard, and that is my grievance with regard to the campaign on behalf of Riya Chakrabarti. They are trying to start this campaign to sort of affect the investigation, which is not correct. I am very firm of the view that there should not be any media trial. And when I say when it should not be media trial, we should not be discussing evidence in the manner in which the other side is wanting to do, and I will not be drawn into this kind of a controversy as to what has been found out by the CBI or what has been found out by the NCB. If they have found out something, they will take it to its logical end. We have full faith in the police and the ED and the CBI, and the NCB. So they are doing their job. We should permit them to do their job and not try to interfere in their investigation.
Sir, so the family is refuting the statement that were recorded by the Mumbai police and the
Yes.
130 police.
No, we don't know because we have not been supplied that statement. The question that was asked to me, I'm answering that. We don't know what was recorded by the Mumbai police. What we said we know, but what was recorded by the Mumbai police we don't know. The brother-in-law had very clearly said.
But they do have
The
signed-
brother-in-law had very clearly said that please follow up the investigation in terms of the complaint made on 25th of February. But that was, I don't know whether it was recorded or not recorded. So that's the job of the Mumbai police. I don't know whether what all they have recorded in Marathi and what all
Because
they
the
will
last
press.
paragraph said that all those contents were read out in Hindi and then these people have signed it.
That is again written by them. It's not written by any one of my
Are you
clients.
now saying that the Mumbai police never read out their statement or explained the statement?
No,
to
it
them?
was just written in Marathi. That's it. There was nothing read out to anybody.
So
And
the
even if you read out in Marathi, I write something in a language which you don't know, and I will then read out whatever I want you to hear. I don't know if I don't know Marathi. How will I check whether what you're telling me is what is written or not? I mean, it's a very it's simple logic. I don't
So
understand
there's
why.
a parallel probe which has also been initiated that few